Sige, tingnan natin. Which type of family is composed of two parents and their biological or adopted children living together? Next question natin. Okay. Which type of family is composed of two parents and their biological or adopted children living together? What is your answer? Alamin natin. Okay. Pag sinabing nuclear family, teachers, ito yung two parents and their children. Okay? Sa sarili nilang anak talaga. Okay? Sariling nilang anak, wala silang kasama sa bahay. Pag sinabing extended family, teachers, dito kasama natin yung kasama si parents, children, yung mga grandparents, okay, lolo, lola, uncle, and cousins. Yun yung tinatawag natin extended family. Pag sinabi natin blended family, si couple, kunyari okay, si babae may anak siya iba sa labas, sa lalaki may anak sila sa labas. Pero nagsama sila, magkasama na yung anak nila sa labas, magkasama din yung anak ng lalaki sa labas, anak nung babae sorry, hindi sa labas. Sorry sa term. Yung anak ng lalaki sa nauna and yung anak ng babae sa nauna. Okay? Magkasama sila. Okay? Ang tawag doon sa blended family ay step family. When a couple with children from different relationships or sa mga nauna nilang karelasyon. Okay? Next, we have the single parent family. Of course, it's either father or mother. Okay? One parent and one child. Okay? Or one children. So the answer here is composed of two parents with their biological or adopted children living together. That is nuclear family. Okay? Very good. Sorry. Next. Teachers lumalabas to sa Gen Ed ha. Okay? Types of family. Okay? When a mother remarries and brings her children to live with her new husband and his children, the new group is known as blended. Okay? Blended family. Okay? Next question. Which of the following best describe as an extended family structure? A couple with their children living independently. B, a family that includes grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. Of course, the answer here is a family that includes grandparents, aunts, and uncles. Okay? Very basic lang. Very basic lang. Next question. In which type of family structure is the father or the eldest male considered the head of the household and holds decision-making power? Sagot, patriarchal. Sino si matriarchal? Si babae or mother? Okay? Yung egalitarian kaya. Sino si egalitarian? Okay? They both equal authority. They have the equal authority, participation, and shared responsibility. Pag sinabing patriarchal, okay, si lalaki ang nag-lead or may authority, okay, and decision making. Okay, patri, ega, equal. Okay, very good. Next, a family where both parents share equal authority and responsibilities in decision making is best described as egalitarian. Very good. Gets agad. Bilisan na natin dahil gets na. Okay. Okay. Let's proceed on the Filipino traits, Filipino family traits. Okay. During a heavy rain, the substandard flood control projects of BBM administration was easily destroyed by flood. The Rivera family worked together to clean and repair the flooded backyard. Each member helped according to their abilities, making the task quicker and more efficient. Question. Which Filipino values are most clearly reflected in the family's Rivera's family's action. Teachers, are you sure with the answer? I'm gonna give you time. Are you sure with your answer? Final na? Oh. Okay. Oo daw. Maba-bad trip na siya. Ba't may nagla-letter B? Okay. Sinusubukan niya ang letter B. Sabi ni In Jesus' name, letter B. Okay, hiya at pakikipagkapwa involve respect and personal responsibility. Okay. Next. Next. The answer here is bayanihan and pagkakaisa. I know you are well versed with this family traits. Okay? Yung mga ugali ng Pilipino. Okay, sorry. Not Filipino traits, but the Filipino values. I know that you are well versed because sana naman well versed kayo dito kasi Pilipino na kayo. Okay? But again, let's have a recap or 'di ba? Daanan natin ulit siya. Okay? Okay, we have the pakikipagkapwa, respect and concern for others. Okay, when we treat family members with care, empathy, and listen to their needs. Okay, hiya, sense of responsibilities and honor. Okay, take responsibilities for roles, actions, and maintain family honor and reputation. Okay, o pag sa bahay, pag hindi ka you're not working, if you're not working, if you're not doing your chores, they have this sense of responsibilities and honor. Ano? Ang tawag sa'yo, walang hiya. Okay? Next, bayanihan. Cooperation and unity. Okay? When we work together to achieve family goals, share health and household chores. Okay? And sa probinsya, sa nakikita tong bayanihan, when no, pag nililipat yung bahay sa isang ah, lugar, 'di ba? Paglilipat sila madaming magbubuhat. Okay? Have you seen that? Ang tawag dun bayanihan, lipat bahay 'no, bubuhatin nila yung napakalaking kubo na bahay. Galing, okey. Next, utang na loob, gratitude and bakit siya tinawag na reciprocity? Okay? Because you have to return something, okay? As a um pagpapakita ng pasasalamat din dahil sa may nagawa siya sa atin, okay? No? Show appreciation, loyalty to family members in return for their support. Okay? So teachers, kaya hindi ako naniniwala na may mga taong self-made. Okay? Kaya pag may nakita kayong mga taong sasabing they're self-made, I don't think so. Because nobody is a self-made person. Bakit wala ka bang kaibigang tumulong sa'yo when you're starting? Wala ka bang mga tauhan na tumulong sa'yo to grow your business? I don't think so. Kaya hindi ako naniniwala na may taong self-made. That's BS for me. Okay? Next, pagkakaisa, harmony and solidarity, resolve conflicts peacefully and promote harmonious uh, home environment. Sipag at tiyaga, diligence and perseverance, work hard on household tasks, okay? Manage time, money, and resources efficiently. Sipag at tiyaga. Pagmamahal sa pamilya, love for family, okay? Prioritize your family welfare, provide care, protection, and emotional support. Okay? So, yun lang, daanan lang natin yung Filipino values. Naman? Yes. Okay, according to Erica, no man is in, ano ba? No man is in Ireland, ika. Okay. So next, core number 3, management process in the family. Okay. Applies management process, planning, organization, implementing in family activities. Practices decision-making skills and family situation. Of course, papasok na siya dyan sa apat na yan. Planning, organizing, implementing, evaluating. But dinagdagan ko yan siya ng controlling. Okay? Nalaman nyo ano ba yung controlling mamaya. Okay? What management step are you using? Okay, question. What management step are you using when you assign chores to family members and set up a schedule for housework, work, and rest? Ano kayang tawag doon? Planning ba tawag doon? Evaluating or controlling? Galing ko talaga. Galing ko talaga gumawa ng tanong. What management step are you using when you assign chores to family members and set up a schedule for work, housework, and rest? Ah, okay, the answer here is ba't kayo letter J at saka letter B? Okay, the answer here is organizing. Kasi pag sinabi natin organizing, it's about assembling. Diba? Assembling. Assembling of what? Resources, people, okay, time, okay, and distribution of work or task. Okay, so the answer here is organizing. But let me explain, of course, what are the processes, okay, or the management step, or the management processes, okay? We have the planning. Pag sinabing planning, this is where you deciding what needs to be done, setting goals, and preparing a strategy. For example, sabi dito, planning a family budget, scheduling of chores, or organizing a birthday celebration. Okay? Because the answer, what needs to be done? What do we need to achieve with that task? Okay? Uh, yan si planning. What needs to be done yung tanong. Okay? Deciding what needs to be done. What are your goals? Okay? What are your goals? So you set your goals. Okay? Preparing a strategy to achieve that goals. Okay? Next, organizing. Pag sinabing organizing, you're assigning tasks and resources to family members to achieve that goals. Okay? Kung ang plano natin ay ma-achieve ang birthday party na maganda, walang kuskus balungos or walang palpak, okay? We need to organize task and resources, okay? Divide natin yung mga chores or mga trabaho among our family members. Okay, for example, arranging groceries or coordinating who cooks and cleans. Okay? Yun na yung pagde-delegate ng work. Kanino mo iatas yung mga trabaho. Okay? Next, implementing from the word implement. Okay? Dito mo na i-carry out yung plan, yung activities, no? Dito mo na ipapasok si plano, yung gusto mong i-achieve, okay? Dito na gagawin yung kung kanino mo binigay yung mga trabaho, kung kanino mo inutos yung mga trabaho. Dito na mangyayari yan sa implementing or implementation, okay? Family members performing their assigned task like preparing meals or decorating the house. Okay. Ito si controlling. Si controlling, pag sinabing controlling, dito monitor mo na yung progress and ensuring activities follow the plan. Okay? Okay na ba? Kamusta na? Nasunod mo na ba yung sinabi ko? Check mo, titignan mo. Okay? That's monitoring or controlling. Kasi minsan, kahit na plano mo na-delegate mo na yung mga trabaho, okay, pagdating sa implementation, ginagawa na nila at walang sumusubaybay sa kanila, they don't even know na mali yung ginagawa nila or they are not even aware of the things that na uh, mali na pala yung ginagawa nila or hindi nasusunod yung gusto mong mangyari or yung sinet mong goals during the planning. Okay? Kaya kailangan natin ng controlling or monitoring sa mga ginagawa nila. Okay? Ayun 'no, nakalagay dito sa family activities example, checking if chores are done on time, okay? Ensuring the budget is adhered to, nasunod ba, yung budget sa grocery, or adjusting the schedule if tasks are delayed, okay? Dito na kasi papasok si ano, si controlling, si manager or si supervisor, 'di ba? Or si nanay or si tatay, 'di ba? Ako ano, very controlling ako sa trabaho ko. Kasi, for example, at 9 AM dapat ma-achieve na tapos na tayo maglagay ng mga lobo. At 10 AM na, anong mangyayari, 'no? Kailangan mag-adjust 'pag nakita ko na kailangan makapag-utos na ako kung ano mga dapat pang gawin or ma-achieve na that time or ira-rush ko na yung mga tao kasi hindi na siya papasok kasi ikaw as a manager or ikaw yung nasa top, ikaw yung nakakita, na ikaw yung nakakapag-isip kung maa-achieve niyo ba sa tamang oras yung mga gagawin niyo. Kasi yung mga taong 'yan, yung mga inuutusan mo, yung mga tao sa baba, ang focus lang nila sa trabaho nila, hindi nila napapansin yung connection ng trabaho nila sa ibang trabaho, okey? Kasi mamaya yung trabaho nila pumalpak or hindi nila nakikita ang papalpak or nade-delay na pala sila, hindi rin nila napapansin. Ikaw napapansin mo na once na-delay sila, made-delay din yung sa kabila. So, ikaw yung may overview sa lahat na nangyayari. Yan si controlling, siya ang kaya pinilit ko siya nilagay diyan kasi siya yung isa sa pinaka-essential diyan sa home management or management processes. Okay? Si controlling sa monitoring ng nangyayari. Kasi 'pag may pumalpak along the way, hindi mo ma-achieve yung sinet mong goals. Okay? Next, evaluating. Assessing results and effectiveness of actions, identifying areas of improvement. Ito na yung after ng nagawa niyong plano. Okay? Evaluating. Assessing results and effectiveness of actions, identifying areas for improvement. Okay? Dito mo na masasabi, kaya nga sinabi ko na kasi sa inyo, 'di ba? Sabi ko 9 AM dapat tapos na, o tingnan niyo na-late tayo ngayon ng oras. O diyan na papasok yung mga ganyan. What else? Sa evaluating, um, tama ba yung, um, tama ba yung oras na binigay mo sa kanila para ma-achieve yung trabaho? Gano'n. Ano yung mga nangyari during that time na ginagawa nila yung trabaho nila na dapat kailangan mas ma-improve pa next time? Okay. Reviewing whether tasks were completed successfully, evaluating budget usage, or determining if a family member or the family event met its goals. Okay? So dito na yan, makikita nyo na yung after. Talaga namang totoo sa huli ang pagsisisi. Okay? Hindi mo makita ang problema. Ang magiging result ng trabaho niya hangga't di yan natatapos. Okay? So, importante ang evaluation sa management process. Okay? Kung akong pipiliin diyan ang top 3 ko, well, lahat naman sila, okay. Ay, okay. Ang top 3 ko diyan ay planning, controlling, and, ay hindi, yes, planning, implementing, and controlling. Kung ako lang, top 3 kung papipiliin lang ako, pero lahat yan of course, may pipili ka pa. Lahat yan of course connected sa isang 'di ba? Pero yan lang yung for me na kailangan siya yung pinaka-ano dapat pag-focusan. Okay? Planning, implementation, and controlling. Kasi parang dun mo na siya ma-achieve lahat-lahat. Lalo na ako talaga hindi ako nag-aano, I'm the overview of all the event. No? Pag ako nagplano at ako ang nag-monitor, kailangan masunod. Okay?